Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious, crispy chicken wings at home. First, ensure your wings are thoroughly dry. This is a crucial step for achieving that perfect crunch. Next, season them generously with your preferred blend of spices. A good seasoning mix makes all the difference. Finally, we'll discuss baking them at the right high temperature to get them wonderfully golden and crisp. To achieve that ideal crispy texture, place your seasoned wings in a single layer on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows air to circulate, ensuring even cooking and rendering of fat. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the wings for approximately 45 to 50 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through. This method helps create a uniformly crispy skin. Once your wings are perfectly crispy, it's time for the fun part, saucing them. Immediately toss the hot wings in your favorite sauce. Popular choices include a classic buffalo, tangy barbecue, or a sweet chili glaze. For serving, pair them with refreshing celery sticks and a creamy blue cheese dressing. These accompaniments perfectly complement the rich flavors of the wings. For an even crispier finish, you can broil your wings for 2 to 3 minutes per side after baking. Another great option for speed and crispiness is using an air fryer. Remember, homemade wings are a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite snack exactly how you like them. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.